Hello viewers, if you are a student of CBSE English Core, then you might have to write an invitation in your class 11 and 12 paper. It is a short writing skill. The word limit is 50 words and it carries 4 marks. This is an introduction class where I'm going to address all your queries that you might have regarding this topic. First of all, I want to address this question. What is an invitation? An invitation is a spoken or written request for someone's presence or participation in some special occasions or functions. Well, you might be wondering, why do we invite people? We invite people to celebrate special events and occasions. Haven't you had some celebrations in your house? You might ask, what are some examples of different occasions? School functions like annual day, sports day, function, prize distribution competitions, and others. Personal functions like birthdays, wedding anniversaries, etc. Invitations can be classified into two broad categories: formal invitations and informal invitations. A formal invitation is sent to people not always known personally and for formal occasions. Some examples of formal occasions are marriage ceremonies or something like a school function, prize distribution, annual day, or sports day. A formal invitation is written in two forms. The first one is the card format, and the second one is formal letters. Card format. Cards are printed for special occasions when a large number of people might be invited. Hence, an invitation card is given to each one of them. Formal letters are written for special invitees. For example, a letter could be written when an invitation to be the chief guest, guest of honor, or for judging an event. Means a person is invited to be the judge of an event. Replies to invitations. If you receive an invitation, it is a polite to send a reply. Whether you choose to accept the invitation or you choose to refuse the invitation, you must send a reply. Based on this, replies to invitations are of two types: acceptance and refusal. Replies to card style formal invitations are given in a note format, which I will teach you in my next lesson. Replies to letter style formal invitations are given in a formal letter format. You must follow that format. Replies to letter style informal invitations are given in an informal letter format. I hope that this has solved all your doubts and you can study all of the above topics, that is, the ones that I have discussed, in my subsequent lesson. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. The links to the other videos can be found in the description box. Also have a look at the Class 12 playlist for other lessons.